Hello. Welcome to Season 2 of Pilates Teachers Manual. I'm Olivia and I'll be your host. This podcast is your guide to becoming a great Pilates teacher. That means this podcast is for you if you are a Pilates teacher, whether you're new or very experienced. For teachers of other movement disciplines, whether you're a yoga teacher, a bar teacher, a Zumba teacher, both movement instructors and self-employed folks will be able to apply a lot of what I talk about in the podcast to their lives as well. If you're curious about Pilates, this is a peek behind the curtain of what it takes to be a Pilates teacher and what it takes to become a really great Pilates teacher. As I said, my name's Olivia. I am a Pilates teacher and also a yoga teacher. I've been teaching both Pilates and yoga full time, both privates, group classes, in clients' homes, in studios, gyms, and now online. And I've been doing that full time for about 3 years. So I have a bit of a unique perspective, both in terms of teaching philosophy and in terms of the types of classes I teach. So I have a lot to share. If you haven't checked out Season 1 of the podcast, what are you waiting for? All 10 episodes are available on Spotify, on Apple Podcasts, everywhere you listen to podcasts, it's waiting for you. Follow on Instagram at Pilates Teachers Manual to join the conversation and get connected and hang out with other awesome Pilates teachers. If you like what you hear on the podcast, subscribe, give it a rating, write a review, share an episode with your Pilates bestie. I really want to get the word out on how amazing Pilates is and how amazing teaching Pilates is. New episodes come out weekly, so there's always fun stuff to discuss and lots of fun things happening on the Instagram all the time. Instagram never sleeps. I have so many great things coming for you in this season. So many tips, tricks, tools to just be an even better Pilates teacher. I think you're really going to love it. If this sounds like it's up your alley, subscribe right now. Get notifications about new episodes, and let's go on this adventure together. The adventure continues until next time.